this day, everyone. My name is Ian Garcia and I'm the reporter for today. So, the problem given to me is a tourist traveling from Cebu to Palawan via ferry, a trip scheduled to take 18 hours and 45 minutes. The ferry departs at 9:30 p.m. What is the expected time arrival? So, the first thing you need to do is we need to list down the given, which is 9:30 p.m. and 18 hours and 45 minutes. What you will do is add the 9:30 p.m. and 18 hours and 45 minutes. It will equal to 4:15 p.m. How? So 9:30 p.m. I-break down muna natin yung 18 hours. So pag break down natin yun, magiging 12. So pag inad natin yung 12 hours sa 9:30 p.m., magre-result ito sa 9:30 a.m. So pinabukasan siya. So meron pa tayong natitirang remaining na 6 hours and 45 minutes. Gagawin lang natin doon sa 9:30 a.m. I-add natin yung 6 hours. So magiging ano. Tapos i-add na rin natin yung 45 minutes, which is mag-equals to 4:15 p.m. So ang arrival time niya is 4:15 p.m. the next day. So going next to the second question. A consultant in Manila has a critical meeting scheduled with a client in New York at 4 p.m. East on Tuesday. What time and day does the consultant need to online in Philippines? No? So, kailangan muna natin kunin yung difference ng time nila. So, gagawin lang natin is kukunin natin yung 5 and 8. Ang i-add lang natin yun, so makakuha tayo ng 13. Ang 13, yun yung difference ng hours nila. So, same process, no? I-add lang natin i-break down muna natin yung 13, no? So, yung 8, i-add natin siya sa 4 p.m. Pag i-add natin yung 8 sa 4 p.m., magiging 12 midnight. So, may natitira pang 5 hours. Pag i-add naman natin yung 5 hours sa 12, so magiging 5 a.m. So, kailangan mag-online ng consultant ng 5 a.m. ng Wednesday. So, ayun lamang po so that's my report today. So, thank you so much.